In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change time zone on Tradingview. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your charts display the correct local or exchange time so your candles and session markers line up with your trading plan. Start by opening your browser and going to tradingview.com. You can use the free site or be signed in with an account. The process is the same. Once the homepage loads, head to the charts area. The easiest way is to pick any stock from the search bar or the market section, then launch the full chart view. This opens the full featured chart interface, which is where all the settings you need are located. With the chart open, look for the gear icon labeled Chart Settings. On desktop, you'll find it near the top of the chart toolbar. Clicking this opens a window with several tabs that control how your chart behaves and what it displays. We're going to make the change from there, so keep the chart visible in the background for quick feedback as you apply your update. Inside Chart Settings, select the Symbol tab. This tab controls instrument-specific behavior and session visibility for the chart you're currently viewing. It's also where TradingView groups the time-related options that affect how your candles and time axis are displayed. Within the Symbol tab, find the Time Zone or Time Zone Sessions section, then open the Time Zone drop-down. Here you can choose from a full list of locations and exchange times. Pick the one that best matches how you analyze markets. For example, choose your local time if you prefer to read candles in your own day and evening hours, or pick the exchange's time zone if you want your chart to align precisely with that market's official session. As a tip, the search box inside the drop-down makes it faster to find your city or region, and TradingView automatically handles daylight saving changes for you. After selecting your preferred time zone, click OK to apply the change. Your chart will refresh instantly. Look along the time scale at the bottom of the chart and at the session shading, if enabled, to confirm the times now appear in the zone you selected. Candles, session starts and ends, and timestamps on your crosshair should all reflect the update. If you work with multiple layouts or symbols, remember that each chart layout can remember its own settings, so you'll have consistent timing every time you open it. And if you ever want to switch back, repeat these steps and pick a different zone. That's it. Your TradingView chart is now set to the time zone that makes the most sense for you.